Hello students, good morning to one and all. Myself Dr. A. Nazim Ahmed, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Islamia College, Wanembadi. I welcome you to all to this online class. First of all, I warm welcome to our century-old institution for your PG classes. 2 days before also we conducted one orientation program. Only limited boys were attended the meeting. Our head of the department and many of staff members spoke on that occasion and suggest many things. As you know, you have taken MSc Chemistry, is very good course. At the same time, it is not easy. If you work hard, definitely you have bright future. Now I am going to discuss organic chemistry. So in this semester you are having 3 theory papers: inorganic, organic and physical. Each paper contains 5 units. So here in organic chemistry I will take first 2 unit, stereochemistry 1 and conformation analysis, stereochemistry 2. Now what is stereochemistry? Already you studied in your BSc classes also your idea about stereochemistry. What is stereochemistry? Stereochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of the spatial structure of molecules and influence of their structure on physical and chemical properties of compounds. In other words, stereochemistry deals with the study of physical and chemical properties of stereoisomers. Stereochemistry deals with the study of physical and chemical properties of stereoisomer. In other words, stereochemistry is the study of the three-dimensional structure of molecules. Stereochemistry is the study of 3D structure of molecule. It is also defined as the branch of chemistry that concerned with the three-dimensional arrangement, 3D arrangement of atoms and molecules and the effect of this on chemical reactions. Isomerism. Isomerism is broadly classified into 2 types. One is the structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Now, the different compounds which have same molecular structure are called isomer, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. The different compounds which have same molecular structure are called isomer. Same. And the phenomenon is called isomerism. Now look at the normal butane and isobutane structure in this slide. Classification of isomerism. Isomerism is broadly classified into two types. One is the structural isomerism and another one is stereoisomerism. So in the case of structure, there are 5 subdivisions are there. There will be change in the chain, functional, position, similarly metamerism and tautomerism. So there will be changes in the structure in which it may be chain, position, functional, metamerism and tautomerism. Now on the other hand, the stereoisomerism is once again classified into geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Structural isomerism already you studied in your +2 level as well as in your 3rd BSc organic chemistry classes also. So once again just I am giving the introduction part so that you can go further. Structural isomerism, compounds of the same molecular formula with different connectivity. Compounds of the same molecular formula with different connectivity. For example, 2-methylpentane. Here 3-methylpentane. Change in the structure. Change in the structure. Stereoisomerism, compounds of the same structure that differ in one or more aspects of stereochemistry. Compounds of the same structure that differ in one or more aspects of stereochemistry. Conformational isomers, compounds of the same structure that differ in rotation, around one or more single bonds. Now look at the two different structure starting from methyl, hydrogen and methyl, whereas here methyl. Okay, so it is comes under staggered and a eclipsed molecule. Now next the important subtopic is chiral and achiral carbon. Sometimes you called chiral and achiral. Okay, whatever it may be there. Chiral and achiral. What is chirality? Chiral and achiral carbon. Chiral carbon, a molecule containing a carbon with 4 different groups result in a chiral molecule. So a carbon which contains 4 different group results in a chiral molecule, and the carbon is referred as a chiral carbon or asymmetric. Chiral or asymmetric or stereogenic center, or we may call it as stereogenic center. Example of chiral carbon, look at this H, COOH or NH2 amino acid. So carbon is the, yes, this is the chiral carbon. Now look at this 1, 2, 3, 4 different group is said to be chiral. asymmetric stereogenic center. Now, if it is a chiral carbon, so what are the properties, sir? How it should be? Chiral compound is a compound that is optically active and can rotate light. Chiral compound is a compound that is optically active and can rotate light. Although everything has a mirror image, mirror images or may not be superimposable. Actually, chiral molecule contains 4 different atoms by sp3 hybridization. By sp3 hybridization. Chiral compounds are non-superimposable mirror image like two hands. Like two hands. Not look at this. Left hand and right hand. That is non-superimposable mirror images. Non-superimposable mirror images. I think you get clear idea. Yes. Now a chiral carbon, a molecule or object that is superimposable on its mirror images, is said to be a achiral. In achiral molecule, carbon atom contain at least 2 same molecule on their hand. At least 2 same molecule on their hand. Now look at the dotted center line is the mirror image. This towards left hand to this right hand CH3. It is superimposable. Superimposable. Now pass on to the next properties, enantiomers. So just now we discussed what is chiral and achiral. Now we pass on to enantiomer. Enantiomers are the chiral molecules that are mirror images of one another. That are mirror images of one another. They have same physical properties. They have same physical properties. Enantiomers are the chiral molecule that are mirror image of one another and have the same physical properties. For example, D-lactic acid and L-lactic acid. That is dextrolactic acid and levo. L stands for levolactic acid. Look at this. So it has the mirror images. COH, then CH, then OH and CH3. Okay. Now what is diastereomer? Diastereomers are the stereomers that are not the mirror images of each other. Enantiomers are the mirror images, whereas diastereomers are the not the mirror images of each other. For example, D-glucose and D-galactose are diastereomers. Look at this. Okay, not at all mirror image. Look at the difference. Yes. If you want, you can note down. Next, geometric isomerism. Alkene shows geometric isomerism because it contains C double bond C bond, which is unable to rotate. Unable to rotate. Free rotation about the single bond. same molecule, no isomerism, no rotation, about the double bonds, different molecules, isomers. Okay, due to the double bond, okay, it is unable to rotate, unable to rotate. Geometric isomerism in cyclic compounds. Let us take cis compounds, cis cyclic compounds. Cis means same. 1,2 dichlorocyclohexane. 1,2 dichlorocyclohexane is achiral because the molecule has an internal plane of symmetry. Internal plane of symmetry. Look at this plane of symmetry. 1,2 dichlorocyclohexane. Dichlorocyclohexane. In the case of transcyclic compounds, the same 1,2 dicyclohexane does not have plane of symmetry, so that images are non-superimposable. Images are non-superimposable, and the molecule will have two enantiomers. Molecule will have two enantiomers. Okay. Asymmetric synthesis. Asymmetric synthesis may be defined as the chemical reaction in which stereoisomeric product is formed in unequal amount under the influence of suitable optically active reagent. Asymmetric synthesis may be defined as the chemical reaction in which stereoisomeric product is formed in unequal amount under the influence of suitable optically active reagent. Optical resolution method is the method of enantiomer separation. Enantiomer separation. Generally, there are 5 types of optical resolution methods: mechanical separation, biochemical separation, chemical separation, kinetic separation, and selective adsorption. These are all the 5 methods to separate the resolution. Racemic mixture. So an equal amount of 2 enantiomer is called racemic mixture. A racemic mixture is optically inactive. What is racemic mixture? 50% of dextrotartaric acid and 50% of levotartaric acid mixture. Okay, that gives no reaction. Next, the meso compound. In the case of 2,3 dibromobutane is a meso compound. Meso compounds are the chiral compound that have plane of symmetry, which has the plane of symmetry. If one image was rotate 180 degree, it could be superimposed on the other images. If you rotate exactly to the 180 degree, what will happen? That it could be superimposed on the other images. Next, you know that R and S configuration, rectus sinisters configuration. And a Fisher projection, representation of a 3D molecule. A chiral carbon is at the intersection of horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal lines are forward out of plane. Vertical lines behind the plane. Horizontal line are forward and the vertical lines are the behind the plane. Look at this Fisher projection. View of this view from this angle. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yes, is it not? Now you know the specific rotation. Alpha is equal to, that is alpha by L into C, where alpha is the observed rotation, L is the length of sample tube, C concentration gram per milliliter. Optical activity just now discuss. Next is the tautomerism or constitutional isomers of interconvert. This reaction commonly results in the relocation of proton. Tautomerism or constitutional isomers of interconvert, relocation of proton. Look at this. Keto form is converted into enol. C double bond O. Keto form. This is enol form. Now, what are the applications of stereochemistry? Stereochemistry has a significant role in pharmacy. It has importance in two sectors such as medicinal importance. Dimetrophan is a cough substance, and L-metformin is a narcotic. Darvon is a painkiller, but it is a enantiomer is an anticoagulant, and it has the biological importance also. And what are the books you have to refer? Basic organic chemistry, advanced organic chemistry, and internet Wikipedia, slideshares.com and google.com stereochemistry. Okay, so this is the just a preliminary class, introduction class about the stereochemistry. So these things today we discuss. What is stereochemistry, what is chiral and chiral carbon, and enantiomers, diastereomers, okay, all those things we discussed. So the outlines is given here. We saw that these are the small topics. What is stereochemistry? What is isomerism? Classification, chiral carbon, enantiomers, diastereomer, geometric isomerism in cyclic compounds, asymmetric synthesis, optical resolution method, racemic mixture, meso compound, RNA configuration, Fisher projection, specific rotation, optical activity, and application. These are all the 17 topics we discuss. Next we will continue in the next class. If you have any doubt, please contact me. With that, I conclude my class. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.